So this is a coffee curing process. While explaining, I told you two types of process we do. One is dry, another one is wet. So this is by dry process. We have dried this cherries at least for 10 days. At this stage, the moistness will be around 12%. So we put this inside a coffee hulling machine where this outer husk is removed and the second layer, what we call this one as parchment layer. So two layers will be removed through that machine. Once this two layers removed, the beans will look like this. So this stage of beans we call as green bean stage, or you can call it as raw bean stage. So you can see here Arabica coffee beans, Robusta here, and Liberica and pea berry. Do you know what is pea berry? So usually inside a single berry, two beans will be there, but sometime due to natural or pollination defect, only one single bean will come. That bean we call as pea berry. So we add in different blends of coffee. Okay, so this is that one. And once this stage is reached, next stage is roasting. We make three types of roasting here: light roast, medium roast, and dark roast. So light roast, it's a purely Arabica beans. Have you heard about Arabic kahwa, sir? Not Kashmiri kahwa. Kashmiri kahwa is from the tea. Arabic kahwa, Arabs people used to drink this coffee. We Muslims have one prayer in the midnight, what we call this prayer as Tahajjud namaz. During that midnight prayer, to be awake in that namaz, they used to drink this coffee. That coffee they used to call as Arabic kahwa. Kahwa in Arabic is coffee. So Arabs people used to. This is not like us with milk, sir. They will take black coffee with cardamom added. Cardamom added. And with the dates, they used to take that coffee. Kajur ke saath, they used to take this coffee. That coffee they used to call as Arabic kahwa. Okay. And this is a medium roaster. We use for South Indian filter coffee. So after this tour, you'll be having this coffee. It's a blend of 50% Arabica beans and 50% Robusta. Without chicory, we'll be giving that coffee after this tour. And this is a dark roaster. This blend we call as espresso blend. Espresso blend means 80% Arabica in this one, 20% Robusta beans. So compared to this two, this will be more stronger, more bitter, whatever the acidity, completely reduced at this stage. Okay, and this is that chicory powder which comes from Jamnagar, Gujarat and Ita in UP, two places in India. It's grown. So you can see that white root, they roast and make this powder. So this is that. You can see that root, sir. They make that powder. And in Hindi they call this one as kasni also. Kasni we call that.
How do they make chicory?
Chicory, they roast and grind that powder. Roast karte. The root will be roasted, then make that powder. So this is that powder. You can see the powder. From this root crush, then make that powder. Okay, you got the point. And so this is that civet cat poop. This is civet cat.
Most important stuff, right?
Important stuff. So unprocessed beans, later we process this one. So now, how this raw beans will be roasted?
It's original form or
It's the original form, unprocessed beans.
No.
And how this green beans will be roasted, I'll be explaining this. Let's go. This is a coffee roasting machine. You have to guess now, sir. In this funnel, maximum how many kgs we can put it here?
In this funnel?
15 kg. Not more than
12.5 kgs. Put 12.5 kgs here. Sir, put 12.5 kgs here. After roasting, how many pieces of beans will get?
Probably will get
कितना kg में आ जाता है? If you put 12.5 kgs there.
8.5.
No, 10 kgs, sir. 10 kg. How come it came to 10 kg? That third layer is there, the silver skin. That will be collected. That around 2.5 kgs it will come. So the 10 kgs the beans. While roasting, so we make three types of roasting here. The timing will be around 45 minutes. Light roast it will take around 35 minutes. Medium roast 40 minutes. 45 minutes for the dark roast. While roasting, what's the inside temperature? 150 degrees. So while doing this one, an expert roaster should stand here. So otherwise the beans will get burned also. Jalne ka chance bhi rehta hai. So how will check that beans? I'll just on the machine and show you. So while it is roasting inside, randomly you will take some beans of this one. ऐसे निकालते हैं. इससे पता चलता है कितना roast है. So once it is ready, what you do? You will pull this one. It will be open here. So all the beans will fall down. Okay? And this will rotate and cool the beans. So once the beans get cooled, the aroma of coffee starts. But why? So you should not keep it in an open air. What's the possible is there. So we put inside a container. So at this stage the aroma comes in. You can just smell this bean, sir.
Oh,
ठीक है, strong aroma आता है. So once this is finished, we do the grinding here. So different types of grinding we do. In that fine, medium, coarse grinding, whatever required at the time we do. So once that is finished, in case if you want to add chicory is added in this matter. And some coffees we even add spices also. Just now I told you of Arabic kava, Moroccan coffee, Turkish coffee, they add cardamom, other spices also. Even cinnamon is also added in Arabic coffee, Turkish coffee, Moroccan coffee there. Or any other extra flavors is required. Vanilla, orange, hazelnut is also added. After that, we pack it from here, this side go outside. Okay. Next is what cocoa process है, I will explain it. Let's go.
and do you guys sell the coffee with the chicory?
That's there. So different percentage we have it here. I think you people won't drink coffee without chicory, sir.
Yeah, that's
Tamil
right.
has said
That's the
it.
reason. Because the filter coffee, you need to put a chicory.
So this is that cacao pod, sir. Inside a single pod, around 30 to 40 beans are there with that sweetie pulp is there. So the beans and the sweetie pulp goes to fermentation process. Once that fermentation is over, the beans will look like this. So at this stage, the flavor will be, I mean to say the moisture content will be around 60%.
How long it has to be fermented?
At least 2 days, 3 days will do. So once the fermentation is over, the beans will look like this. At this stage, the moistness will be around 60%. So then you have to dry this in the sunlight. In an open air we put and dry. So the moistness at the stage, after 1 week, it has to reach to around 7%. Then it goes to roasting. Once the beans are roasted, then one layer should be removed. Through a machine called as winnower machine, we remove that layer. Once that layer is removed, the beans will look like this. What you call as cocoa nibs. This we grind it and make this chocolates here, sir.
Yeah.
So this is actually 46 to 50% dark chocolates here. So even butter is also there. Cocoa butter, I need to say. So if you want to make that cocoa powder, you have to remove it. You have to separate that butter from here. Otherwise, not required. Okay. So this is available in the shop.